Hi, welcome to this video. In this video, I will tell you everything about the tracker controller, basically to understand the AI tracker.
Part 1. Table and strings.
This is 10 megawatt plant and this is a one table. In one table there is one TCU tracker control unit. In one table there is 3 strings. In each string there is 28 panels PB modules and total 84 panel are fitted in this table.
Part 2. TCU strings power connection.
In this plant we are using string power TCU. For TCU it is required 300 to 1500 volt DC. So we are taking power from the nearest string by the Y type connector, and you can see this is Y type connector. It is taking power from the string. Here you can see there is 2 Y type connector. One is for positive and one is for negative.
Part 3. TCU control panel.
This is TCU. This is old version with button control. From these button you can control manually, like you can put in east mode, west mode, auto mode, stop mode. You can change mode here manually. In latest version you can control it by the Android app with Bluetooth device.
Part 4. TCU motor connection and emergency switch.
Here you can see motor wire is connected with DC brush motor. These 2 switches, one for emergency stop and one for string power, and here you can see string power connection.
Part 5. Communication between TCU and NCU.
These are TCU communicating with NCU by the Zigbee wireless communication. Under the every table one TCU is installed that controlling particular table. All TCU communicating with NCU for the protection, like wind protection. This is the wind sensor with direction sensor. From here all TCU getting wind direction and wind speed data. And this is antenna for Zigbee communication with all TCU for controlling and protection.
Part 6. NCU key function and main features.
And this is the main NCU box. From here you can give command to all TCU and you can configure all TCU and broadcast that setting. This is GPS. For times get the information of longitude and latitude. The connection, wind sensor, SCADA communication and antenna, power, and this is network ID and frequency which is configured in TCU to communicate with NCU. In which TCU we will configure this network ID and frequency that TCU will communicate with this NCU. Coverage area of NCU is 300 meter. In 300 meter radius it will communicate with all TCU.
Part 7. Professionals assistance.
I tried to explain in this short video communication of NCU and TCU. For more detail you can connect with our team. On LinkedIn you can search AITracker from Jian and connect with team. Thank you so much for watching this video.